Okay. Shall we talk about real estate for a second?
Yes.
Because we love talking about real estate in Toronto, right?
It's hot in this city.
Yeah,
Vanessa Van
24%,
Winkle,
by the way.
Rip's sister, I guess.
Is this a real person?
I was trying. She's a real estate
Van
agent in
Winkle.
Texas, but she's accumulated these pictures of various places that have gone up for sale.
Yeah.
And take a look at some of the things that she has found.
Okay.
This first one. Okay, the bathtub
I don't
just
even
looks terrible,
understand.
right?
Oh, you can see where the stairs
It's
are.
right by the stairs.
Yeah.
It's
Guys.
sitting beside the stairs.
This is the bathroom with the
How
toilet?
do you even use...
And look at the
Oops,
chandelier
a little bit
offset.
off,
Missed it.
off.
That is carpet, by the way. The entire room is carpeted.
No.
Hey, that's the dueling toilets.
How does it work?
You shake hands. That's kind of cool, actually. I won't lie. But I didn't even notice the stairs because I was so shocked by just the horribleness of the tub itself.
And here's the question.
Toilets.
The
It's
dueling
best.
toilets.
Yeah, here's the question. Why would you want to show those pictures if you're a real estate agent? Don't focus on any of those things. Show all the other
Well,
things.
she's giving examples of
She's going
terrible.
to show all of the things out there that she is going to keep you away from or
Yeah.
fix.
Yeah,
or these are the homes she would never show you because
Or
it's crazy what
fix
builders
it.
get
That
away
one's
with.
awesome. And I
love
think the
that.
paneling is a nice touch,
Yeah,
too.
It's beautiful.
I
We'll have
like
a
the
good
cow. I'm sorry. I
conversation.
like the cow. And if this was Toronto, any of those would add 100,000 to the house.
Absolutely.
Hey, you got a bathtub on the side of your stairs? 100K.
That's right. They're all $1 million.
It's unique.
You could have a bath and get out the door in no time.
Drains down
Selling
the stairs,
feature, yeah.
everything. 7 o'clock. You're watching Breakfast Television.